Hidden away from the rest of the world, this cold desolate science station is in one of the most isolated areas on the planet. All across this vast bitter landscape, a blanket of snow and ice cover the region. Pummeled by ravenous icy wind, these ridges are capped with mounds of snow and ice. Believe it or not, this hellish environment is home to an abundance of wildlife such as penguins, whales, seals, albatrosses, other seabirds, and a range of invertebrates you may have not heard of such as krill. Antarctica is the fifth largest continent, being nearly twice the size of Australia. It stretches over 5 million square miles. That's the equivalent of 246 billion football fields. Home of the South Pole. It is completely surrounded by the Southern Ocean. Each year snowfall covers the entire continent. Ice lay atop the snow, creating a blanket. Layers of this same process happens continuously throughout the year. The animals that live in the Antarctic are truly survivors. They are amongst the unique individuals who can handle -12 below. It may be hard to imagine, but these icy snow-capped mountains were once covered with green grass and foliage. Scientists, explorers, and adventurers have all tried to advance upon this unfriendly continent to no prevail. The harsh, uncomfortable climate and dangerous weather are enough to make any man buckle. Massive glaciers break off into the ocean. As the climate changes, this whole continent was once a thick sheet of ice. As the harsh, ever-changing environment continues to fall off into the ocean, the more we get scarcely closer to a dramatic shift in the poles and magnetic field to the Earth. As the atmosphere continues to heat up,